Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn a for loop in a Python. So for loop is a most fundamental element in any programming language, not only in Python. Uh, Basically, for loop is used to repeat the block of code with fixed number of times. If we want to repeat any block of code, any statement with fixed number of times, we must use the for loop for that purpose. For loop is also used to iterate the sequence, to access any sequence in the Python. We will use a for loop. So let's see syntax, and we make the program, and you will learn, get clear idea more. So for suppose we have a list of fruits, so how can we access through the for loop? It's very simple. The syntax of for loop is this one. For first one is for keyword, and second one is the element, any element. For suppose I am taking element as a variable, like you can also take x or y, anything. So first one is for loop keyword, second one is a variable, and third one is in keyword, and here is the object, iterable object. So here iterable object is list, for suppose. So just print and this element. The meaning of this statement is for each element in this object, just print it. Let's see. Yeah, you can see here the fruit names already displayed: banana, mangoes, apples from this list. So for each element in this object, just print it. You can also take here any variable like x, like this. You can see here this is a basic structure syntax in for loop in a Python. So have we use for loop to access these fruit names from the list? For suppose if we want to print hello a word 10 times, so how can we do this? You just write for loop and x in, you have to call here range function from 0 to 10 times. So this is a iterable object. Just it will print 10 times hello keyword. Let's see. You can see here hello, 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 hello. So here for x in range, basically we have called this function to generate the sequence from 0 to 10. So here we are printing hello keyword. So you can also access any sequence with for loop. For suppose I am declaring a string like this, hello world. So can I access this each character through for loop? Yes, of course. Just like this, for x in, just you have to replace this iterable object to str. For x in str, just you have to print x. So x will take each character from this string str and just display it. Let's run the program. You can see here each character we have printed of str, this str string. So basically this is a for loop in Python, which basically used to iterate a sequence or access any sequence object. Iterable, it is just like object, list, dictionary, string, any object you want to. If you want to access, you will use for loop. And if we want to print something which with fixed number of times, we can use a for loop. So that's it.